Do you want to improve your looks and your French? Keep watching. Salut à tous, it's Marie from justfrenchy.com and today together we are going to take a look at 8 of the most popular French beauty YouTubers. Before we start, let me remind you that I have made a master list of French YouTubers. This master list contains more than 100 channels on different topics, so it's a good one for you if you want to find materials that you actually want to watch in French and materials that is going to improve your French, real French, because those videos are not made for English learners, but for actual French natives. So go and download that, the link is in the description below the video. Now let's dive in. First one on the list, and we talked about it in my video on 9 of the most popular French YouTubers on YouTube, and it is EnjoyPhoenix.
Hello tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien.
EnjoyPhoenix is the most popular beauty YouTubers, French beauty YouTubers on YouTube. She has 3 million subscribers, which is enormous for a French channel. Now she's doing more than makeup video because she also has a vlogging channel and she's talking about beauty, fashion, skincare, etc. On her channel, you'll find plenty of challenges like get ready with me, crash test, makeup tutorials, etc, etc. The second YouTuber I wanted to talk about is Horia.
Hey!
With Horia, it's going fast. Like, I mean, she's speaking really fast.
J'espère que vous allez bien ma team YouTube, moi ça va très très bien.
But it's a great channel to hear some very modern French. She's joking a lot, so expect to actually have to watch her videos several times to understand it all. But if you like fast-paced tutorials, challenges and colors, she's the one for you. Marion Cameleon.
Aujourd'hui je vais réaliser ce maquillage là.
Marion Cameleon is a bit apart, I'll say. She likes to change her hair color and that's very refreshing maybe. She's a makeup artist, so you will find a lot of complicated but also beginner-friendly tutorials on her channels. I think she's one of the most beginner-friendly YouTubers, beauty YouTubers on YouTube. Elsa Makeup. Sorry about that, but my footage got lost somewhere, so I'm recording that later on at the editing process of the video. But Elsa Makeup is really nice. I mean, she's sweet, she's quite a normal person, I'll say. Not that the others are not normal, but yeah. So if you're looking for a typical French makeup, it's where you should go. I mean, she's more subtle than the others, let's say. You know what I mean. So with her, you learn more practical vocabulary that you can use when talking about other things than makeup and beauty, because she's, yes, talking about makeup, but with less maybe slang, less very modern words than most French people would not understand. Adriannetrends.
Aujourd'hui je vous retrouve pour une vidéo 100% NYX.
Adrienne is not only about beauty because she's also talking a lot about fashion, and that's refreshing in that way. You can feel her fashion sense even in the beauty videos, and that's very nice. I also really like her messy hair. Makes me want to cut mine. Mon blog de Fille.
Ben voilà, c'est fini.
Hélène from Mon Blog de Fille used to have a beauty channel in English as well, so you can go and check that out. I put the link in the description below the video. But now she's concentrating on her French-speaking channel, which is very nice because first of all it's uploaded quite updated quite regularly with good quality videos, and she's really talking face to face with the camera, so it's like having a conversation with her, and that's really, really nice. Also, she has a nice Parisian accent. Tendance Clémence.
Bonjour à tous, je suis ravie de vous retrouver aujourd'hui pour une nouvelle vidéo.
Tendance Clémence is sweet and gentle. She's, I don't know if she might be the youngest in this list. Her speaking of French is a bit slower than all the others, so it's a good channel to follow if you are a beginner and that you want just simple, very simple videos that you can follow in French. I actually have no idea how to pronounce it. MiNinha, something like that.
Je suis de retour, je suis de retour.
But anyway, if you fancy a bit of, you know, different content, I recommend her because she's gorgeous. Her hair are just amazing. And a lot of her content are about fashion as well, so she's talking very naturally to the camera as well. But not as... It's a different kind of speaking than Hélène from Mon Blog de Fille. She has a different accent. Her way of speaking is different. And that's it. You have 8 French beauty YouTubers on your list to watch now. Obviously there is more than that on YouTube, but those channels are a good front door to the world of French beauty on YouTube, if you will. Now if you want more channels on different topics, I recommend the master list with 100 and plus channels on different topics such as beauty, yes, but also lifestyle, also business, gaming, travel, learning French, Canadian French, plenty of channels. Now, who's your favorite from this list? Share it with us in the comments and scream at me if I forgot your favorite French beauty YouTuber. That's it for today, but stay tuned because this week is going to be special. I'm going to release 3 videos on vocabulary that French beauty YouTubers are using in their videos. So stay tuned for Thursday, Friday and Saturday for a new video on Just French It. À la prochaine!